Boom shakalaka, as a massive Bitcoin bottom is forming and Bitcoin getting ready to take off. What do these insiders know that might surprise us? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why Bitcoin is getting ready to take off and what is going on with these corporate insiders. What do they know that we don't? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, Fear 26, down from yesterday at 29. Surprise, surprise. The overall market, though, pretty much sideways. Bitcoin at 16,777, Ethereum at 1247, BNB at 256, XRP 33 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Cardano 27 cents, and Polygon 77 cents. And if we take a look, this is make it or break it territory for Bitcoin. You can see right now we're butting up against this resistance from the upper bounds of the wedge. We also are very near where the wedge is crossing. So we should see a breakout within the next few days. This has it crossing on the 9th, which is 3 days away at this point. If you notice, we might have a little bit of a cup and handle formation right here, which could potentially push Bitcoin price above $20,000. Potentially, maybe. But first we need to check the charts, because right now the consensus is pessimism. I'm not sure if you felt it. It's like the opposite of the frothiness we felt back last January. Right now, the pessimism is at record levels, lowest levels ever. Investors expecting a better economy is at its lowest level ever. So pessimistic that it's in fact optimistic. That's right. Most people are oftentimes wrong about the market. So if they're all betting on a very bad market, we might actually have a good market. Except for the corporate insiders. They know something that we don't know. The tech corporate insider buying is falling off a cliff, like you can see right here. What do they know that we don't? Now, important interpretation of this chart. If you see right here, it shows that the rate of corporate insider buying in tech is slowing down relative to what we had in the first half of 2022. It doesn't mean that they're selling, but neither are they buying at the same pace. Either they're done accumulating for now, or they know something we don't know. Now, if we take a look at the last time that this was as high as it is right now, and they stopped, went off a cliff, well, once they went off the cliff, prices went up. So, could be they're done accumulating. But do they know something we don't know? Not quite sure. Bitcoin, please stop creating ascending channels all the time. If we should lose this channel support in the next few days, be careful. This is the 4th ascending channel for Bitcoin. Ascending channels generally go down. We had this one break down, this one break down, this one break down, and yet another one. If it breaks down in the next few days, like for instance, if we fall below this wedge, again, watch out for Bitcoin. Very trying times. Right now, it's kind of a 50-50 coin flip. Bitcoin right now on a knife's edge. According to the logarithmic regression model, here's what happened at this level back the past few times we were in this level. In 2012, the bottom was not in. In 2015, the bottom was not in. In 2018, the bottom was in. In 2020, the bottom was in. So right now, it's a coin flip. Bottom could be in, bottom might not be in. But either way, it's one of the two. Or it'll just go sideways, you know? Now, if we just compare a Bitcoin with timing and cycles, in the past 2 cycles when December started, the top was in for Bitcoin. From there, it took 13 months for the bear market to come to an end in January. As you can see, the top was in December, found a bottom in January. Well, it's been 13 months since December, and January's just started. Could we have a repeat, a multi-year bull market for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? I sure hope so. My fingers and my toes and everything else I have 2 of or more are crossed right now, because we could have a bottom forming for Bitcoin. So if we take a look at the point of control, the highest volume traded price level acts as fundamental support or resistance. Now, right now, $16,800 is the new 100 weekly point of control for Bitcoin. Very, very good news. This could actually be support for Bitcoin. In simple terms, the last 100 weeks, this is the level where the most volume has been traded, which has created potential bottom formation. If we take a look, these are significant levels for Bitcoin price. If we take a look at the 100-week POC, it's at $16,800, right around where Bitcoin is trading at right now. If we have the 200 week, it's at 9,200. Very significant level of support. This was actually launch point for the last bull run. The 300 week proof of POC, this is basically the bottom from 2018-2019. Also one of the many launching points on the way up to the $20,000 peak. So these are important levels. This could potentially be the new bottom forming. At least for the last 100 weeks, this has been the level that has found a lot of trading. Now, interesting charts for Bitcoin or Bitcoin. This might be a different cryptocurrency, but I think it's Bitcoin. The Bollinger Bands with percentile. If we take a look at this, whenever we had a cross in this, and we are having a cross right now, it tended to be pretty bullish. Bollinger Bands with percentile, bullish crossover is happening on M2 chart, the 2-month chart. This crossover brought Bitcoin decent bullish rallies in history 2 times before. You can see right back here, a nice bullish rally before, right back here, a nice bullish rally before. We could have the same type of thing setting up with the market pessimism. Well, it would be a great time for a market turnaround because we are at yet another wedge that has generally indicated points when Bitcoin takes off. So in the Bitcoin weekly chart, Bitcoin forms triangles before parabolic moves. So first we have the triangle formation, and you can clearly see these orange triangles. Then we have at the time of the intersection, which is the tip of the triangle, Bitcoin starts the first parabolic move, this PB1 in yellow. After pullback, which we see in both cases, we have the second parabolic move, PB2 in green, both times, and pattern repeats. Now, we are right now at the intersection of the last triangle. Should this hold true, well, we might have a PB1 and PB2, nice parabolic phrases taking Bitcoin into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I hope that left you with a little bit of a happy ending for the weekend. Enjoy yourselves, guys. Love you very much. If you like it, push the like button. Catch you later. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.